Okay, this video is to establish the inaccuracies of the hover report provided by American Family in the estimate for Tom Jones. I'm currently at the residence and would like to document the measurements and illustrate how these hips, of which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unaccounted for in the measurements. Okay, I'm going to use this top ridge here because in the image on the estimate, this is listed as 51 feet and 11 inches. Okay, for the sake of efficiency, I've made a couple of marks so that I can more easily do this with one hand while filming. So please bear with me, and thank you in advance for your patience here. Okay, so starting at this edge here, and on the edge you can see we have 5.5 feet where that blue mark is. And get right to the edge here, you can see, sorry, I'll lay this down. We're right at the edge there, and this is right at 5.5 feet to that mark there. So we have 11 feet right here. Going from this piece of ridge, hooked on there. I'm going to do this in one continuous video. So we had 11 feet for those hips, and this mark comes right to 32 feet. Okay, 32 feet. So we're currently at 43 feet. Going from this mark to here, 2 feet, 45 feet, and then coming to the other side of this, 2 feet, so we're at 47 feet from this point down to that ridge. Okay, 47 feet. Now we're going to go from this corner to just shy of the original mark, so spotting you a couple inches here, that's 14 feet. Plus 47 is 61 feet. And then now where we were 5.5 inches on the other side, these kind of average out at about 5 feet. I'll show you, we're hooked on here, and that comes right to the 5 foot mark, and right to the 5 foot mark here. Okay, now in addition to that measurement, which is now at 71 feet, Xactimate has that, or sorry, the hover report has that as 51 feet and 11 inches. Here's another one of those hips to illustrate that these are hooked on the end there, 5 feet, hooked on the end there, 5 feet. So another one, there's one down at that end of the home, there's one there. So in addition to the top ridge, we have 3 more hips, 6 in total, which is where the discrepancy is. Thank you.